the split-second idea to unbox or unenvelope my Reformation sale, just in case I want to try these on later on camera. Obviously, I got the wake up voice. It's recyclable. You can see this is what it says. Oh, gorgeous. All right. So they sent me this, which is from ThredUp. So you can send this in and they'll pay you for your clothes, I think. They'll give you shopping credits. Yay. Okay, so I guess this is my leggings and this is the bodysuit. See. Alright, so I got the Karen bodysuit. I got a small for some reason. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh, it's not that small because I have a long torso especially, but it's got detail down the front and I like how it comes up high right here, even though this is completely open. Ooh, it's so soft. I really love their fabrics. Quality. Alright, and then I got some leggings. I've really been needing a good pair of leggings. Oh, they're not like shiny like I thought, but they're pretty nice. Large, high-waisted legging. Should come right to my ankle. I don't know. You know, you have to do the test. Not too see-through. Alright, we'll see. This was one of the gifts to myself for the new year. I put up a tea and coffee station. Yes. In my room. Sorry, I had the camera wrong. Yes, I'm gonna make some coffee for myself and get my day started. These are the sample packs. I have some of my own, but it says the size of it, so I'm kind of looking through that. Some of them are espressos, so I'm gonna do a coffee. So just open like this, and your old pod goes straight into the thing. You push it through, and oops, wrong way. Okay, and then when you're ready, you just hit that. So, coffee station. Okay, so this is gonna be like Brooklyn ASMR, like natural landscape. So if you hear anything, it's just ASMR, you know. The sirens, everything. So I got on my dressing gown and it's time to try these on. I didn't put on any makeup yet, but I did moisturize. And I pinned my hair up so it wouldn't be like super flat at the top. You got these dual angles of me. Hold on. Shut my door. coffee that I just brewed. I just officially woke up. Maybe my face will slim down and everything. I get really swollen in the morning. Activate my vocal cords. Anyway, so I'm gonna try this on. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on with this, but then I also have some disco pants. As you all know, or you might not know, I'm gonna try and get this out the same day. It is New Year's Eve morning, and if not today, I don't think it's gonna get out tomorrow because I'm getting dragged out tonight. So let's pick out an outfit. I really hope this isn't too small. I was really feeling myself. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is my shirt with my boobs. And of course, it's a zip tie down front. I had to, of course, put this on off camera because, you know, you can't wear a bra with it. And like I said, it's small. And usually my biggest problem is having a long torso. So I can't wear smalls. And I thought my butt is gonna totally tear this up, but like almost completely fully covered back here. Good thing about being a small YouTuber, I don't have to worry about being demonetized. So just like, but yeah, another thing is it clasps right here, obviously, to get it on. You can't step into this. And I hate those, but this one feels okay. Also, it's so like slim and secure. So let me see. Let's see about the leggings. Leggings is always a struggle. It's a motivation to get these leggings on. I got a large. The only thing that look large about these is like the length of the booty. And my booty is not that long, maybe. Maybe it's that long, so let's see. Ooh, they feel good though. I was expecting to be like real tight at the ankle, but they're not that bad. And you know, if you think, you always gotta perfect that motion of pulling them up from the bottom, like tights. Okay. Wow. Do I have some nice fitting leggings? Oh, I have some nice fitting leggings. Wow. These look actually really good with this. But also, you know, I want leggings to be my go-to when I'm doing stuff. But a lot of times, I still got this panty line. Hold on. Try and lessen that effect. A lot of times, they get see-through, and I don't feel like these will because I'm not even stretching them all the way out. I still have a lot of room right here. I usually buy large because of my thighs. Let me see if I can step up on something. And the thighs is good. This is too high. Hey, I'm gonna get something. It's not really properly set up. So here they are. My thighs look nice. Looks nice. If you wanna taste what you bring to the plate. Okay, this is my look. Okay, I got another one that I want. Cut down on my waist. it's tight. It's squeezing my knees. Definitely squeeze. Yes, I'm a snake on the wall. Shout out Nicole TV. Ooh, move like a. Okay. Let's see how tight I can make this. I like it. Like, I thought this would come off way, you know, sexier, but it's kind of coming off, and maybe I'm delusional, but it's kind of coming off like it's like just a part of the shirt detail. Let's see how water it could get. Let's see, widen it at the top a little bit. Like I want it to taper a little more. Oh, is she cute? Okay. So what y'all think? I mean, I don't think this is gonna be posted before I make my, ooh, Nacho Libre. I don't think this is gonna be posted before I make my decision, but y'all can let me know if I made a trash decision later. Okay, just for old time's sake, let me see if I got something else that could go with it. Wow, this is kind of funny. I got this like old school DKNY. Don't read the label. Don't read the label because it says petite. But I did something fun with it and I forgot I have that Agnes. Okay, so just for fun, I'm gonna try this on. I got this at my friend's vintage store in the West Village. And it was tight then, and I think I put on like at least 5 pounds. But luckily I think it all went to my head, so let's see. As long as I ain't gotta pull nothing over that thing, I'll be alright. I'm not sure where this zipper goes. Let's see. I'm gonna. Look at that. I got it out. I'm not wearing this out. Oh, look at my legs moving it. Oh, my little jacket. So one of my goals this video was to do very little voiceover. This is what I'm doing because I had this 2-minute clip of me feeling myself and this tiny skirt suit. But I got the idea to try on some more clothes that I have from Reformation. I decided I'm going to put that in a whole separate clip and do some outfit ideas for everyone. But other than that, I tried on the jeans in this video, so stay tuned. Okay. These jeans in my closet. These dress jeans. Wide leg. I cuffed them at the bottom. These are the Stevie Ultra High Rise jeans. Excuse me. I'm in my room so I can cough like that. And the wash is Perth. And I figured I should get a classic jean. So, you know, and I got these in a 31 because the booty. And at first, they actually were, you know, a little more tight right here. I actually don't have any rubbing, which is good. But yeah, they kind of fit me pretty normal. So this is them. I like to, you know, that kick. We got thighs. I like to pull them up. Of course, that makes them tighter right here, and it makes them hip higher in my waist. And you can see in the mirror, I'm always gonna have that unless I put on a little cute belt, which I do have. But yeah, these are the jeans. Looks super good. Anyway, I run around in these on the city. They're awesome. It's not just me saying that. Definitely would buy. I've given the chance to. I filmed that entire thing, edited it, without realizing that I didn't have an outro. So I thought I would take this time to say thank you if you made it this far through this video, and also take a second to acknowledge and relate. So I've been going through a lot. On the end of it, I'm realizing it was probably a bit of seasonal depression. It's not a direct thought that I had, that I'm just, you know, oh, it's time to be sad. Or just not even sad. For me, it's felt like just not feeling myself, not wanting to get up and do much of anything, or take care of myself in the same way I usually have. I don't know if it's my own retail therapy that has been a coping mechanism that this package came. But I'm willing to bet that it's because I've had friends who are really pushing me to get out. They kind of forced me to come to this event with them, not force, beat me down into coming to this event with them. 2019 has been really, as a whole, a lot of ups and downs. I probably spent more time feeling a little down about myself in this past season than up, but I wouldn't have traded this year for the world. And I hope that eventually I'll get to a place where I can really navigate these things without alienating anyone. And if you have had any struggles with this, you know, I don't have any help, but I do have an ear to listen and relate. I have some representation out here for those of us who gotta go through that. Just one thing to always remember, no matter where you're at in life, we can always find things to stress out about. But on the other side of that, there's always a reason to just, you know, gonna go full circle and say F it and do what you gotta do. And that's what I've done, even being really like depressed and upset, and just remembering that, you know, sun and moon rises and sets no matter what. Anyway, before I get to rambling, I just want to say again, thank you. Happy new decade, happy new year. More content, I don't know. I can't promise anything. Maybe I'll do some painting, test out some of these watercolors and gouache. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I know how to paint with it. So maybe I'll do some of that, testing out some of these colors and show how I mix in my process artistically. Yeah, like it if you want to like it. And I hope to, you know, grow with you in 2020.